Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about the wellhead and three-phase separation. On wellhead we have conductor casing, we have intermediate casing, we have subsurface casing, and then we have intermediate casing, then production casing. On all casings we have pressure monitoring through the pressure gauges with the isolation valves. We have production tubing, then on the production tubing we have lower master valve and we have upper master valve. In between both valves normally double SV also installed. Double SV means surface safety valve. Then we have production wing valve that connects to the choke valve, then it connects to the flow line. Then on the opposite side of the production wing valve we have kill wing valve that is used in case we have to kill the well to inject the mud inside the well for killing purpose in case any job or in case fire or gas leak. Then we have swab valve with the assembly. Here we can connect the wire line assembly, or we normally connect the BOP for carrying out wire line, slick line or acid jobs or other well related jobs. So this is overall visual of the wellhead. In subsurface also we have one surface control double SV subsurface safety valve that is called triple SV. Then the fluid stream goes to the gathering header through the flow line. This is gathering header. Here the flow from the different wells connecting in a single line, that is called gathering header. Then this single line that which called as flow line enters into a three-phase separator. Either it is a horizontal three-phase separator or a slug catcher. We use a slug catcher to catch any slug on the plant because it affects on the plant operation at downstream of the three-phase separation. So now we will discuss about a horizontal three-phase separator. In a horizontal three-phase separator we have inlet straightening vanes to reduce the velocity. We have clutching trays, we have foam eliminator, we have wear plate, we have vortex breakers, we have demister pad. So crude oil coming from the wellhead is mixed with water, gas and sand and must be separated from these components before the oil can be sold out. So same in case we are selling out the gas. So all the fluid will enter the separator after passing through the straightening vanes. The liquid will fall down due to gravity. Then the water which is called interface or produce water flows from a nozzle in the vessel located upstream of the weir. An interface level controller senses the height of the oil water interface. So on the upstream of the weir will control the interface level of water. Then oil is less heavier, is less denser, its density is less comparatively with the water, so it will remain on the upper surface of the water. Then it will overflow and go to the other side of the wear plate where it will come out through the oil outlet nozzle. The level of the oil downstream of the weir is controlled by a level controller that operates the oil control valve. So on the oil and water outlet nozzles, on the both nozzles, normally we have a vortex breaker to avoid any gas carryover through the liquid streams. Then the gas passes horizontally through the separator. After passing through, first the gas will pass through the culling trays, where any carryover, the liquid carryover, will be removed, and the liquid will fall down inside the separator, and the gas will go and pass through the demister pad, where any entrained liquid will be removed and gas will be escaped out from the gas outlet nozzle. Here you can see the wear plate between the both produced water outlet and oil outlet nozzles in the brown shape, almost half of the separator if we see based on height. So in between both nozzles we have wear plate. The gas flows horizontally and out through a pressure control valve that maintains the constant pressure in the separator for efficient separation. So this is three-phase separation into a three-phase separator. The gas flows horizontally and the vessel pressure remains constant. That's all. Just subscribe our channel. We will share more videos, more knowledge with you, whatever we have. We are also not perfect. Please correct us if any mistake. Thank you so much.